in this video, we are going to be learning how to use read receipts in Outlook. Read receipts gives you the opportunity to know when your mail was read and received by the recipient, and that is very possible in Outlook. We are going to be learning how to do that today. So I have an email here that I'm already preparing to send to a particular person, and we'll be using that as an example. To do so, go to the navigations bar which is at the top of the screen and find options. Click on options. Just below options, you are going to find different options. So search for request delivery receipt and click on it to put it on. This automatically helps you to receive a notification when the message has been successfully delivered. You can go on to create your mail and send it to the person, having it in mind that you are going to receive a notification when the recipient gets the mail. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get more information just like this.